Hey everybody, this is just a quick video. If you have a Samsung dishwasher and you're getting a 7E error, so what is it and how to get rid of it? So the 7E error is a water wall reflector error. So the spinning water wall that's spraying water, there's something, it's detecting some kind of error. What you want to do to fix this is just get in here and check on, make sure they're spinning properly. And also, the number one reason you're going to get something like this is if you load the dishwasher and then try to send it, and like, for example, you put a big pot or something in the dishwasher that's getting in the way and preventing it from operating properly, then you'll get some kind of error. So as long as it's not damaged, as long as you don't see any damage or anything like that, you can just try to run your dishwasher again, making sure that there's nothing getting in any way of the moving parts or anything like that. And if you're able to do that, you should be able to get rid of the 7E error on your Samsung dishwasher. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.